Such a naive, humble person by domestic standards. It can never lie in my hands or my mouth to bully. But that notwithstanding, I can be extremely ferocious in defending the rights of the people of Kenya. We have, over the last 3 days, demonstrated without any contradiction from the part of the CJ that the problem that bedevils her is not one of cyberbullying. The problems that underlies the failure on the part of the Chief Justice is not her gender. And indeed, as informed lawyers, we are trained to look above the waist. We look above the neck. We are never concerned with the genitalia of whoever is serving as a judge. So it should concern us that somebody holding the office of the Chief Justice can only come and say, the only defense I have to the inability of the judiciary to clear backlog, to the inability of the judiciary to deal with cases of the corruption, to the inability of the judiciary to sit on designated dates, hear cases and determine matters, is cyberbullying and my agenda. Who says that? You are the Chief Justice, for heaven's sake. And let me say this without any fear of contradiction. The problem with Martha Koome is not cyberbullying, it's not her agenda. It is incompetence.
How so?
She is a below average lawyer from her qualification at the university. She is an underperformer judge as per the report of the vetting of judges and magistrates. In fact, she fell short. I can classify her at 49%. That is a failure in a law class. She failed. You understand? And we have this problem in Kenya where we tend to appoint into higher office individuals who have failed. To what end, I do not understand. So that the system, so that the structure, so that the agency fails. We cannot have a failed judiciary. That's why I must share in the lamentation of my teacher, PLO Lumumba. We can have a failed executive. We can have a failed parliament. But we can never have a failed judiciary. And there's unanimity of thoughts that there is a failure of performance by the judiciary. Yesterday and the day before, I documented cases of 130 judges and magistrates who did not sit. They were attending official duties, they were attending conferences, they were attending seminars. One was actually on a radio show when she was supposed to be in court. And when we raise these things, the CJ says we are cyberbullying her, we are targeting her because of her gender. If she feels that her gender incapacitates her from sitting as Chief Justice, she must leave office. Not today, yesterday.
Okay,
and go out.
Talking about